Woo woo! Next stop, Neverland. Is there room for me in here? Someone's got to leave, Salvatore. Who's going to leave? Which one of these guys are going to leave? Which one? Huh? You got to get rid of one. Who should get out? Vincenzo get out?
Yep, Vincenzo's getting out.
Oh, thanks a lot, kid. Oh, no, Vincenzo's. Oh, maybe Sully's. Okay, Sully's going to get out. Okay, Sully's going to get out. And Sal's going to get out.
Peter Pan's getting back in. Oh, let's go. Come on.
Oh, woo, woo. I want Vincenzo. You want Vincenzo back? Yes. Wee, wee. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Next stop, Crazy Red Boyville. Hi, can you use another water?
Captain Edward Smith turns to the man who knows the Titanic best.
Hey, I'm not red, but I happen to be at this stop. Can I come in? Can I come in? No. Okay, Sully's been turned down. Woo woo!
Oh, he fell into the track.
Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Oh, here's a stop. Who's gonna get out here, Salvatore? Should we get rid of Peter? Vincenzo? Or Elmo? Who's gonna get out? Gotta get rid of one. Who are we gonna get rid of? None of them? No? Hey, you wanna get rid of Peter?
Yep.
Okay, bye, Salvatore.
At the same time, it wouldn't be an issue. However, you can't.
Woo woo! Woo woo! Oh, you picked up Sal. Good. Oh, thanks, kid. I was kind of worried you'd forgotten about me. Ah, that's good. Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Uh-oh. Who's here?
First down on some of these ships.
Hi, Sal.
Began to get word that something was up.
You gonna pick Sully up? Oh, this is my stop, everyone.
People couldn't believe
This is Salvatore's stop.
this has gotta be a
You ain't gonna get out at
surely that ship.
End Tableville.
In Titanic's hometown, families of the
Sully's
ship's
coming
young
with us.
people
Okay.
waited anxiously for
Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Who's gonna get out at Neverland, huh? Look at Peter's here. What's it gonna be, kid? Oh, thanks.
The news came first.
No one's getting out? Is anyone getting out, huh?
Titanic.
Look at Vincenzo's still down here. You wanna get rid of Vincenzo? Are you gonna get rid of the bunny?
Oh, you gotta get out. Let's watch him tip it.
The White Star Line
Crowded in there, isn't it?
Manhattan now became the focal point of the Titanic drama.
Oh, Vincenzo's out.
All right, behind me is Bowling Green Park at the tip of Manhattan.
Who else is getting out? Sully's out. Bye, Sully.
End of Broadway.
And Peter's out.
Airline have their headquarters.
Who? Does Sal get to stay? Please tell me, kid. I want to stay.
Had hit an iceberg in April 14th.
Elmo!
Late on the 15th,
Oh, no. Oh, I feel myself going overboard.
An ocean liner called Carpathia.
Elmo's gone, too.
But they arrived
You
too
treat your
late.
passengers like that?
Instead, they picked
Oh,
up
Vincenzo
lifeboats
gets to stay?
filled with
Thank you for flying Salvatore Airlines. We make you feel like you never left the ground because we treat you like dirt.
He's sitting on Sal. Yeah.
names of the survivors.
That's a good one,
Their
baby.
family members came to find out.
Okay, the winners are Vincenzo and Sal. Woo woo! Riding backwards, riding backwards. Woo,
Backwards
woo.
baby, backwards baby.
Woo woo!
Assemble in this park and then
Woo woo! Oh, rough ride, rough ride, rough ride, rough ride. Woo woo woo!
across the street.
Oh, I'm getting sick. I'm gonna cough up all those bunnies I ate earlier. No offense, Vincenzo. Woo woo! Aw, you like them? We like you too, Salvatore.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. No, don't do that to the baby's head.
As the action name went on the list, a family would breathe a sigh of relief.
Woo!
Yet days later,
Bracket chip,
there
baby.
was still no word on the 9 men of the guarantee.
It's been a good ride. Are those the favorites? I think Vincenzo